Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I'm here with another fabric covered, it's not, I guess it is hardback cover, made out of chipboard. Made the cover out of chipboard and fabric and lace. It has 3 signatures inside. It's a hidden spine, so you don't see the strings. And this lace right here, was received and gifted by DC Scrap and Rooster on YouTube, and I love this lace. So I wanted to use it on this fabric. This fabric is a sample of upholstery fabric is what it is. It came out of like this big booklet of different fabrics you can, choose from. And I closed her and I put this little dangly green beaded trim on here because I wanted to bring out the green as well as the yellow in the fabric. And there is the spine. It's got a, let me see. I hate this ruler. Got it at the dollar store and it's kind of a waste. A 1.5, little over a half inch spine, and the fabric's sewn all around. The lace is glued on, and let's get inside. I wanted to do something blue and yellowish before winter gets here. I wanted to use this piece of fabric because I love it so much, and I think this one is already made, and I just put it on this corrugated paper. This right here that I got. I like it because you can choose different colors. Bando, stop, bud. Videoing, they've got to do their thing. And book corners. Inside we have a pocket. And I will link the kit that I used in this below. Darn, why didn't I look that up before I... Oh my goodness. Hold on one second. Okay, it's called let's see, it's called Junk Journal Kit Yellow and Blue Botanical Printable Paper Shabby Chic Journal Pages. And also the Flower Market Blue Vintage Ephemera Collage Sheets. And they are from the Journal Boat on Etsy. That's what I used in this. There might be a sprinkle of something else in here, but I tried to just stick with those two, so that way I didn't have to repeat myself a bunch of times. And I absolutely love it, and there was so much, and I still had some left over, so I didn't even get to use it all in here. And this is a beautiful tag that I made. I love it. And the back pages, this right here is from, I got it right here. It is out of the Bohemian Boutique. Right here, this little booklet. I think I got this from my friend Michelle. And when she was having her sale. And yeah, so pretty. I just love the way it all came together. And I tried to use some blue and yellow, white trims on here out of my lace stash that I have back there. And I just think these are so beautiful. I just love them so much. And on all the main pages, I backed it with one of the other pages that she has, the plain pages. Printed on both sides, I should say. I didn't back it, I printed it on both sides. This coffee dyed paper. And I used some stickers that I got off Amazon. They are these type stickers. I used a couple of these throughout. Actually, it was, let's see, this little bundle and one with some of these, I believe, Wisterias. But it all came together. And I just made a little pocket and a little cluster right there with that. And used some little, stuffed the pocket with some little ephemera. I just made this out of the leftover pages and stapled that on the top. some vintage ledger type paper. Ledger? No? I don't know. You know what I mean, with the little squares on it. That type paper. There you go. I forget my words when I get the camera on. I seriously forget my words. I had some blue doilies that Trina gave me, so I used them in here and did some little layering. This is a glassine bag back here. And I put this journaling card inside. And this is a piece of the front cover that was left over. I just did some layering. Beautiful, beautiful kit, let me tell you. Did a little tuck spot here with some of the ephemera that comes with it. This is a little tuck spot that Trina, this little cluster Trina made, and I used it in this journal. And, I glued it. Silly, silly me. I just tucked these little tickets that came in the kit right in this little pocket so they could be used throughout the book. This flips open, and here we have a tuck spot, and I don't know where these came from. Well, let me see where they came from. I think I have it up right here, or not. I don't know, but I will try to link them below. This little, they're actually book pages, but I shrunk them down and made tags out of it. And then we have a bookmark tag inside here. And this is another little thing that Miss Trina made out of some scraps off her desk, and she gave them to me. There's 2 of these inside this book, and I thought they went perfect with this. So I always have to do this to put it in because I'm blind as a bat in one eye and can't see out of the other. And I tucked that behind it. Polka dot coffee dyed paper, some vintage flower book pages, some vintage school book paper, and I made a big pocket out of one of the pages out of the kit. Added this little envelope there that Trina made me. She had a whole bag of stuff she gifted to me, so I was very happy about that, and I use it throughout my journals. And I just made a tuck spot out of it. Back here, this came with the kit. And here is a big tag. This paper also is part of the kit, and I just did some layering on it and backed it with coffee dyed paper and put this pretty topper on it. I love it because it matches everything. And I just glued in a piece of my 3-inch snippet roll right here so she can chop it up as she wants to and use it wherever she wants in the book, or she can just leave it like this and use it as a hiding journaling spot just for texture to touchy-feely kind of stuff. I love it. I was going to glue it down for a pocket but decided not to. And behind here we have this cute little tag. Come here. I also made another big journaling tag here. This is part of the kit. And inside here we have this piece of ephemera. And I just paper clipped it on. Oh my goodness, this is like the 3rd video I did, so I'm tongue-tied or whatever you want to call it. I'm like, whoa, can't speak today. Here is another little flip out, and I just glued this on, made a little pocket for this pieces of ephemera. This little lace right here is from Scrap and Rooster, DC Scrap and Rooster on YouTube, and it is so beautiful. I made a video of all the laces she gifted me, and oh my goodness, you have to go check her out. She's got some beautiful things. And I love this page. Over here we have a little pocket come with the kit, and this little piece of ephemera, and this is some paper I had left over, so I just added one of the tags to it, stenciled on it, put this little tab on it, and it's just extra coffee dyed paper. I just made a little booklet for journaling with it. Get in there. Of course, it's not going to want to go in now because I'm on the video. Any other time, it'd go in just fine. You know how that goes. Here is a cute pocket. I just put it sideways and added some little stuff to it. And this is from the kit. A tag that I made out of bits. Yeah, if I can't talk, then you could speak for me. I don't care. At least somebody will finish my sentence for me because my brain don't work. Oh my gosh. Isn't that gorgeous? And this video, this camera doesn't even do this justice. It's so pretty. I love blue and yellow together. This is some old paper I had in my stash. It's like really fragile paper. And I just glued this onto this piece just for decoration. It's not, I don't know if yeah, I left it right here for a pocket if you want to. It's actually printed on both sides, but I just use it that side. And another beautiful page from the kit. And in my other video, I was saying how some of the paper comes with these holes on the side, and some of it's like corrugated, or not corrugated, never mind. Anyways, I use this sometimes for like my tags, like this right here. I ink it up and use it for that. And some little pages, a little pocket, another big tag that I made with a bunch of little bits. And this is an envelope, has a journaling card inside. I think that is beautiful. Put that in there. And some more ephemera from the kit. And you'll just have to listen to Lincoln bark over there because I don't want to pause the video for the 100th time. Sorry about that. He'll be fine. They like to bother me when I'm doing videos. Oh my goodness. Another little cluster right there. And this is one of the one of the pages, printable pages as well. And I did some stenciling with Tim Holtz stencil. A vintage book page. Another little pocket here with a edition card that I just collaged on and backed on coffee dyed paper. And this is a little vintage card, and I thought it was pretty, so I stuck it in here. Hiccups. Been having them all day. Here is another window that Trina made, and it's so cute. I love it. And I thought it would go with this kit, so I put it inside here. And then this is part of the kit. So vintage book page. I better hurry up. This book is bigger than it looks. And here is some pieces of ephemera. A little pocket, and I just added some little tidbits, and this is some leftover trim lace that I had, and a little envelope. It's got some little bits inside. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I'll hurry. Sorry, it's taking me so long. There's that trim again, and this beautiful page. Another little pocket with another little booklet. Little pages. I love this trim. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Ah, to die for. Another little book page that flips out, and there's a pocket there. Doily. Ah, so pretty. So pretty. I know this is probably more like a springtime journal, but I had to do it because it's so cute. A little pocket. And there's some more of that trim from DC Scrap and Rooster. I love it. Here's another big pocket. I just put some of the stamps that come with the kit right there. Another big journaling card there. Or tag, and some journaling cards. So sorry about the barking in the background. That's the only page I think that doesn't have the backing on it. Another booklet here with a little cluster here that Trina made. And this is one of the pockets. This is just clipped on. I don't know why it's clipped on there, but I think just so it will have some blue sticking out. And in the pockets we have these two journaling cards. One's a card, one's a tag, Paula. Get with it. Another glassine bag with a pretty blue or pretty tag inside. And another one of these tags behind it. Maybe. There we go. I love these clusters. This doilies came in handy for this journal for sure. And a journaling card there. And then these two. Hope I didn't double up on something. For some reason this one looks familiar, but hopefully not. Another one of these beautiful pages here. Love it. Another Trina tuck spot there, cluster with these two cards here. I love that one. She makes me those because she just puts three things together. Boom, it looks cute. It takes me 10 years to figure out something. This is a tuck spot here. Could put something in there. Maybe I'll leave that in there. That's cute. Some more of the little stamps. Another cute page. Sorry this video is a little long. It's a big fat journal. So, yeah. I'll try and hurry. Sorry about this. I never make 20-minute videos anymore. Here's the other cute pocket that Trina made there. And I just put this big card inside. I gotta do it this way because my eyeballs can't see that correctly. And I made this out of a big bingo card. And we're almost to the end. Another spot here with addition card. Another booklet of paper here that I thought goes with this journal. And then these two. Another little vintage card there. Tim Holtz flower. And in the back, we have this beautiful tag. I love this journal so much, and it was so fun. But yeah, this one's going to be going out in the mail. I just wanted to share it with y'all and hope you got some inspiration or any ideas. Some little something out of it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Please stay safe and leave a comment if you wish. And subscribe if you're not. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.